that Clay, the smuggler. I don't quite trust him, but he worked for my father, and he just might be our best shot at driving them zealots back into the mud from whence they came.
So, you met the newest member of our growing family, Aurelia. That bitch is ice cold. She tried to kill her own brother, can you imagine? Anyway, we're getting close to the Great Vault. Whoever opens it will be the most powerful being in the universe. You get that, don't you, superfan? Wanting to be the brightest star in the sky? With a galaxy of followers shouting your name? Well, it's not gonna happen. The Great Vault is mine. You couldn't handle that kind of power, but I was born for it.
Easy, easy. I'm no fighter. I'm more of a people person. Over here, Vault Hunter. Name's Clay. I suppose you and I are here to start a Jacob's resistance. Mind telling me who I'm working with?
Mose. I kill people for loot. And fun. And justice and stuff.
Well, we ain't getting in the front gate. Might know another way. Follow me. Now, in my experience, a resistance needs two things: hope and guns. But mostly guns. So, we're gonna liberate this town, crack open its weapons cache, and put Jacob's guns back in Jacob's hands. Don't know what Wainwright told you about me, but that don't matter now. We got a town to free and bandits to kill. Yup, still got it. Come on. Few bandits down there, Vault Hunter. Show me how you kill. Soldier! Duck on this! Come get me! Let's do a little more.
Bang!
I'm out! Give me a sec! My chili recipe dies with me!
That was some damn fine shooting. Vive la résistance! Weapon shed should be just over here. There's the weapon shed. Now, how do we get in? Gotta hotwire this bastard. While I do, you take care of the riffraff and free a few Jacob's loyalists. Wainwright sent the seal we captured. Gunslinger. Let me know if you find it.
These are garbage! Shots more! You look sick!
Calamities!
I'm feeling it!
Chop him up!
For the resistance!
Freedom ain't free. Costs more than most things. That's what the brainiacs call philosophy. Eternal. Read that on a love letter once. Guy I killed was a lucky man, I guess. All right, head on back to the weapons shed. I'm almost in. This still ain't cracked it. Might require some encouragement from your gun.
Nice work, Vault Hunter. You find that gunsmith Dalton?
No, just some scrubs.
Damn, we gotta find Dalton. But let's get into this weapons shed first. One problem at a time. Smart shooting. Electricity's like a wild stallion. You can't piss on it while it's running. You're just gonna have to trust me on that, Vault Hunter. That's Dalton's personal cache. But we ain't getting in there without the master.
Let me see if I can locate him. While I'm looking for Dalton, watch my ass. Which is to say, don't let me get shot in it. Language ain't as precise as a bullet, but it can be just as deadly in the wrong hands. Got a lock on Dalton, but right now we've got to secure the town. Hope you came to fight, because they came to die.
Pick the wrong fight.
Vault Hunter, just so you know, I've already hired some enterprising people to acquire the key fragments. Cost a small fortune, which I will earn back by taking a nap. Because I accumulate wealth in my sleep. That's what rich people do.
To the saloon. Let's fill our cups with bandit blood.
Kill the vault thief!
For the Calypsos! Here they come, Vault Hunter.
Hurry, he's gonna drink soup out of your skull! Like a sponge! Children of the vault! I got
Better luck next life.
Coming at you.
My dear business partner, are you sure your family is up to the task? I don't want to use the words blistering incompetent.
Then don't. Motel's alive with bandits. Let's free up some rooms.
Damn! Hope you came to fight.
Oh, look! It's me.
to shine. Firehawk!
Holy crap! Right out of thin air? They can still bleed, though. Let's show them how.
Nice fight. That's the last of them. Smoke too soon. Don't let your barrels cool just yet.
Let's see how you do against my iridium tier brothers and sisters.
Don't let us down.
It's raining, man. Brothers and sisters, kill the heretics in the name of the Calypsos, the great wolf dragons!
Stop, heretic!
This way. You do the honors, Vault Hunter. And the town is ours. I gotta hand it to you, Vault Hunter. You're one smooth operator. But we're not done yet. Looks like the COV kidnapped Dalton. He's being held in an island lockup called Fort Sunshine. I'll stay here and hold the town. You free Dalton. Dalton worked for Wainwright's daddy, too. Montgomery Jacobs' personal gunsmith. Dalton makes the finest firearms on the planet. He can't have his guns ending up in the COV hands. We're getting him out.
But Apollo and Artemis got a taste for my signature cocktails and went apeshit when I cut them off. Started flinging their crap all over the bar after I kicked them out. It wrecked the generator and we lost power.
Transaction controversy, I'd like to remind everyone, we'll never introduce paid-for gear to lend an unfair advantage. Cosmetics only. These are posers!
The Vault Thief's trying to rescue that gunsmith you snatched. Do your thing! The teleporty thing.
Yeah, sure! But because I want to, not because you asked.
Whatever, just do it already!
Asshole.
but finally can't stop the body drop. Smash it down! Can't go in the front door. It's locked up tight.
Guess we'll need to find another way in. Take a look around. There's an old lookout nearby that might offer a nice vantage.
Oh, Vault Thief's still alive. Guess I should have anointed a few more of the family. That's the real power.
Remind me why I kept you alive all these years?
Oh, come on, don't be like that. We're having fun. Right? And she walked away.
No good.
Find anything, Vault Hunter?
What about this overhead crane thing?
Good idea. That'll do nicely. Unfortunately, it'll be a bit of a bear to get to it. You'll have to go through the lumber yard. And that's COV Central. I'll make sure the door's open by the time you get there.
I don't know. Maybe it'd be better if I weren't at Jacobs. I ain't cut to lead. I got some... small ambitions, and I can barely hit a grog from the porch at midday. What kind of man am I? A good one. Jacobs is a family corporation, Alistair. Passed down by blood. If I don't take it up, some long-lost cousin will have the reins and mug the whole thing up. My father wants Jacobs to be about more than guns. It's about reliance, about civility, honor.
Sounds to me as though you're just the man to carry the name.
Not so sure about that. But maybe if you stick around, I might pick up something.
All of my ambitions are right here with you, Winnie.
And damn it if that ain't why I love you.
Fight on through there and find a way up to those shipping cranes. There must be a loading dock up there somewhere.
Come at me, soldier girl! You look better with bullet hole! Move it to safety! The darkness embraces me!
Here we go.
Mercenary! I planted! El Dairin, I'm sorry! Remember to live life lightly!
Of our power. That's what you're running cameras down at every turn. That's and they put a tear down our gods. Friend, because
Be right with you, Bumpy!
That's just what I do.
I protect the family! Do not weep for me!
put up on one of them things. It's ain't straight for sunshine.
Freaking multi-kill, yeah! Stay down, scrub.
Like a spot show! I die for the Calypso!
There's quite a few up there. Now, you may be on your way to a hellhole of a prison island, but that don't mean you can't appreciate the little things, you know?
You'll have to excuse Ty. She's not used to sharing the spotlight. You see, when we were growing up, our parents never let her out of their sight. Tyrene would leech anything she could get her hands on. Then our mom died. That one's sort of on Tyrene. After that, our dad decided we could never leave his side. He never said it, but he saw Tyrene as a monster. And I was just a freak, by the way. But we left him and came to Pandora. What that old turd didn't get is that these days, a freak with an echo stream can be a star.
Once you jump, you better be ready for a fight. Because the COV like giving up their prisoners about as much as a grog likes giving up a human shin bone. Time to jump. Good luck, Vault Hunter.
Shoot up. I'm on a freaking roll!
I yearn for a more civilized era!
Get over here, dickweeds! Last of the corner, going out.
Goddamn reinforcements!
I've got most speed animal! Everybody, it's not mine! Who the hell? I am my lord, and you know! Shall I? Oh, what?
It's been real, Vault Thief. Boom, anointed!
Heads up, fam! Vault Thieves come for the gunsmith! Secure the island! Watch out, Vault Hunter. It's one of those freaks. Back off, Vault Thief! You'll have to pry that gunsmith out of my cold dead hands! blind slaughter. Sometimes you gotta take lives to save lives. There's a harsh wisdom to that. But damn it if it ain't true. Now figure out how to get Dalton out of there. There he is, the gunsmith himself. See if he's all right.
Thank you, Vault Hunter. Those cultists were trying to force me to make guns for them. The last thing I wanted to do was arm those bastards. Jacob's guns belong in Jacob's hands. Have this.
Kingdom of Personal Weapons cache.
Take it. Just, don't ask where I was hiding.
I'll make my way back to Reliance. See you there, Vault Hunter.
Smooth operator. Glad to have Dalton back on our side. Swing by so I can thank you proper. Don't forget to open Dalton's cache. You earned that.
It's Bird's fault, Hunter. Point you at a thing, and it gets done. So begins the resistance. I gotta tell you, I've been all around this galaxy, seen darkness and savagery you wouldn't believe. But those Calypso twins and their followers, there's something else. Someone's gotta stop them. And I'm thinking it just might be you. Be seeing you, Vault Hunter.
Sweet.
How's that trigger finger? Wanna help me with something? Looks like those echo-casting idiots are having a little family spat. Splitting their followers into teams and making them kill each other for sport. And if both sides lose, we win. Here, listen to this while you head toward Camp Tyrene.
What's up, Bandit fam? Troy and I have a little bet going. We want to know who you love more. So, go ahead and organize a Team Tyrene.
In a Team Troy.
Then, kill each other for our amusement, okay? Whoever's left standing wins Iridium tier membership, and it better be Team Tyrene!
Now get to killing.
Bye!
I got recon says Team Tyrene was planning to drop off a big bad explosive present for Team Troy. Hell, the Resistance was gonna do that anyway. So what do you say we help them kill each other? Clear out that camp and take the bomb for Team Jacob.
COV killing COV? Sounds like a party.
I've killed for money, and I've killed for loot. But killing for two brats who don't care if you live or die, that don't make a lick of sense to me.
Woo! What's up? Name's Chad. That's with a double D. Like for double danger. You want to go on an extreme adventure? Gonna be extreme, bruh. Trust a Chad. You don't want to miss this.
Woo! Taste the danger! Follow Chad! I've been super into bare knuckle boxing lately. Bought my little bra, Brad, jabber, a tree, you name it. But today, I'm feeling super extreme